Welcome back to our channel. Storm Rider, the USS Delbert D. Black DDG-119 is an Arleigh Burke-class guided missile destroyer, and in many ways it represents the evolution of one of the U.S. Navy's most successful and versatile warship designs. In this script, we walk the viewer through its major features, performance characteristics, design elements, and the qualities that make it stand out, while keeping the language clear and engaging for both naval enthusiasts and everyday audiences. The Delbert D. Black is named after the first Master Chief Petty Officer of the Navy, honoring his legacy of leadership and dedication. As a Flight IIA variant of the class, the ship blends advanced technology with proven systems, resulting in a platform designed for multi-mission capability, meaning it can fight in the air, on the surface, and beneath the waves without missing a beat. At just over 9,700 tons when fully loaded and stretching more than 500 feet in length, the destroyer carries the presence of a capital ship while retaining the agility and speed expected from a modern naval combatant. One of the most striking things about DDG-119 is how much is packed onto its sleek frame. The ship relies on the Aegis combat system, a powerful integrated command suite that gives the crew incredible situational awareness and the ability to track hundreds of potential threats simultaneously. Imagine an advanced brain constantly scanning sea and sky, ready to identify and respond to any danger, from incoming missiles to hostile aircraft or submarines. The SPY-1D radar, known for its distinctive phased array panels, serves as the eyes of the ship, with rapid detection capability that has made the Arleigh Burke-class a cornerstone of U.S. naval defense for decades. In terms of armament, the Delbert D. Black carries a formidable arsenal. At the heart of its firepower lies the Mk-41 vertical launch system, which houses dozens of missile cells capable of launching everything from SM-2 and SM-6 surface-to-air missiles to Tomahawk cruise missiles for long-range land attack, as well as ASROC anti-submarine rockets. This versatility is what makes the destroyer a mission chameleon. One moment it can defend against air threats, and the next, it can strike targets hundreds of miles inland with precision. Complementing the VLS are additional weapons including the 5-inch Mark 45 gun mounted forward, ideal for shore bombardment and surface engagements, and the close-range phalanx CIWS, the iconic rapid-fire defensive system that acts as the ship's last line of protection against missiles and fast-approaching threats. There are also .50 caliber machine guns and small caliber weapons around the deck for security and escort missions. For many viewers, the beauty of the Delbert D. Black's design lies not just in its weapons but in the way they're integrated into a balanced, highly survivable structure. These destroyers are built with a damage control mindset, ballistic protection around critical areas, advanced firefighting systems, and compartmentalization that helps the ship stay afloat and operational even when taking hits. The Flight IIA design also features a helicopter hangar, something earlier Arleigh Burke variants lacked. This addition allows the ship to support two MH-60R Seahawk helicopters, which dramatically expand its reach in anti-submarine warfare, search and rescue, and over-the-horizon targeting. From a performance standpoint, DDG-119 is powered by 4 General Electric LM2500 gas turbines, giving it more than 100,000 horsepower in total. This allows the ship to reach speeds in excess of 30 knots, more than enough to maneuver quickly in both forward positions and escort roles. For viewers who may not be familiar with naval propulsion, think of these turbines as jet engines that push the ship across the water with an incredible power-to-weight efficiency. Despite its heavy load of weaponry and equipment, the Delbert D. Black handles smoothly, maintaining stability even in rough seas thanks to advanced hull shaping and weight distribution. But one of the most human aspects of the destroyer is its crew. With around 300 personnel on board, the ship is like a small floating city. The internal layout is designed to support long missions at sea, with improved living conditions compared to earlier warships. More ergonomic workspaces, modern berthing, and upgraded command centers make everyday operations more comfortable and more effective. The ship's namesake, Master Chief Delbert D. Black, devoted his career to the well-being of enlisted sailors, so it's fitting that the destroyer carrying his name incorporates design features that enhance crew readiness and morale. Another standout feature is the ship's ability to operate seamlessly with allied navies and integrate into larger strike groups. DDG-119 isn't meant to fight alone, it thrives as part of a team. Whether escorting aircraft carriers, conducting independent patrols, or participating in humanitarian missions, the destroyer is built to respond to global demands. The modern threat environment requires ships to be flexible, and DDG-119 embodies that philosophy. It can enforce maritime security, deter adversaries, conduct missile defense operations, or provide support in natural disasters. One notable upgrade of the later Arleigh Burke destroyers, including DDG-119, is the improved missile defense capability. These ships can track ballistic missiles and contribute to layered defense systems that protect both naval forces and strategic regions. Even for viewers unfamiliar with missile defense jargon, the takeaway is simple: the Delbert D. Black is equipped to counter some of the most advanced threats in the world. Design-wise, the ship's angular superstructure helps reduce radar cross-section, making it less visible to enemy detection systems. Although not a stealth ship in the same sense as the Zumwalt-class destroyer, it incorporates enough signature reduction to make a measurable difference. The placement of antennas, radars, and weapons is carefully planned to create a clean silhouette while maximizing sensor coverage. The dual hangar arrangement aft balances the weight forward and maintains the ship's hydrodynamic efficiency. As we move through the ship's internal technologies, the level of automation stands out. Modern destroyers rely on sophisticated digital controls for engineering, navigation, and combat operations, allowing the crew to operate the ship with greater precision and fewer manual tasks. On the bridge, advanced navigation displays, automated charting systems, and integrated communication equipment support complex operations in both crowded sea lanes and open ocean environments. What makes the Delbert D. Black especially interesting to highlight in a video review is the balance between legacy and innovation. Viewers unfamiliar with naval design may imagine each new ship class is radically different, but in reality, incremental improvements over proven blueprints often result in the most reliable and capable warships. DDG-119 is exactly that, a refinement of decades of battlefield experience, upgraded with modern electronics, enhanced weapons, and better living conditions for sailors. It maintains the ruggedness and combat reliability the Arleigh Burke name is known for, while also representing the continued evolution of U.S. naval strategy. Overall, the USS Delbert D. Black DDG-119 symbolizes a powerful fusion of technology, flexibility, and tradition. Whether the viewer is fascinated by warships or simply curious about modern defense, the destroyer offers a compelling example of how engineering, strategy, and human dedication come together at sea.